Thanks for joining us on this Sunday morning. I'm meteorologist Leonard Josiah with the Antigua and Barbuda Meteorological Services, your weather authority for the Leewards and the British Virgin Islands. Together, let's take a look at your Sunday morning's tropical weather update. This pictorial already gives you a snapshot as to where the tropical systems that we are following are. We're looking at the broader Atlantic Ocean, nothing much to talk about out there, but the main development region continues to show Tropical Storm Philip this morning. And by the way, this orange hatched area that you're looking at right now bears the spot for another area of tropical storm or tropical cyclone development over the next 24 to 48 hours, maybe over the next 7 days. We will be monitoring that. I'll give you further information as it comes to hand in the next couple of minutes. But we're looking at the Tropical Storm Philip this morning right there. Let's take you in for a closer shot. And you're looking at Tropical Storm Philip this morning as of 5 a.m. was located just about 1,355 miles due east of the Leeward Islands. The position is 15.6 degrees north and 41.4 degrees west. Its movement is towards the west. Over the next couple of days, it will be moving towards the west, then take a swing towards the west-northwest. That is certainly good news. Right now, winds of 45 miles per hour with pressure 1,003 millibars. In terms of where it's at right now, you're taking a look at the Caribbean islands right here. All the Caribbean islands way down south to Trinidad and Tobago. You're looking at Tropical Storm Philip here this morning, and you could see it's still a way distance away from the eastern Caribbean islands. It's forecast to move towards the west a little bit, but take a swing towards the northwest, and I'm anticipating that real swing will really take place, because if it does not do so, a weaker system will have Tropical Storm Philip moving closer to the island chain. But this forecast is suggesting that Tropical Storm Philip will get stronger and feel the effects of an upper level trough that will swing it really towards the northeast of the island chain and away from our island territories. You're looking at the other area of disturbed weather, which I will speak to you in just a minute or so. But let's take you to the track in terms of the forecast for Tropical Storm Philip this morning. Here is where it's located at this morning. It's forecast to move on towards the west and then take a wonderful swing out towards the northwest and away from the island chain. The island chain are located right here, and if it does so, it will remain a safe distance away from the island chain. That is certainly good news. But let's take you right out to Africa one more time. We're looking at this second area of disturbed weather. It's forecast to move towards the west-northwest, but that area of high pressure out here continues to be rather weak, and is the reason why Tropical Storm Philip isn't taking a part towards the west to northwest. And this particular area, including that particular area right here, is forecast to move out towards the west to northwest and the northwest and to stay clear of the island chain. So no necessarily tropical cyclones to impact us over the next couple of days. That is certainly good news, but we'll certainly keep you updated. I want for you in Antigua and Barbuda and the rest of the Leeward Islands, including the British Virgin Islands, to stay connected and don't get complacent. Let's continue to monitor these weather systems, because you know it's the weather. The weather will always change. Closer to home, you're looking at Antigua and Barbuda, Barbados and Trinidad and Tobago. You woke up this morning to a cloudy morning sunrise because of the fact we had a tropical wave in this vicinity. The clouds associated with that are forecast to move on towards the west, and because of that, we're anticipating some drier conditions moving in over the island chain. So the chances of showers for us here in Antigua and Barbuda and the rest of the Leeward Islands, possibly for the British Virgin Islands, a higher chance of showers, which I will talk to you about in just a minute. So for us here in Antigua and Barbuda, we're still looking at a 60% chance that you will see a passing shower here in Antigua and Barbuda today, Sunday. The chances get lower on Monday, going on into Tuesday, before another round of showers enters our particular region. For you, if you're in Montserrat, the very similar conditions will tell the tale. A slightly cooler daytime highs in terms of your high conditions, even if if you're going on into St. Kitts and Nevis, the chances of showers today is 60%, a slightly lower chance on Monday and on Tuesday, but you're going to be having a warm day of the 32 or 90 degree Fahrenheit for your maximum temperature. For Anguilla, the similar weather conditions will tell the tale. We're looking at a high chance, or let's say a moderate more moderate chance of showers on today's Sunday, a slightly lower chance on Monday going on into Tuesday, and we're looking at another round of showers getting into Anguilla on Wednesday. But the British Virgin Islands today, a slight chance of showers means that that tropical wave will move closer to them going on into tonight. We're looking at a moderate chance of a shower on Monday for the British Virgin Islands. Even Tuesday, a slightly lower chance of showers, and Wednesday we're looking at a moderate chance of showers. Your daytime highs peaking as high as 32, while your overnight lows nice and manageable at 25 or 75. Well, that's the end of your tropical weather outlook, or the tropical weather update from us here in the Antigua and Barbuda Meteorological Services. Remember, if you liked this video, give us a thumbs up, or you can subscribe to our channel. Remember, we are your weather authority, your trusted source for your weather information for the Leewards and the British Virgin Islands. I'm Leonard Josiah, wishing you a wonderful and a safe Sunday.